Yes, get me a direct and secure line to Bruce Kotowich, if you would. Bring it up on the screen.
Hello, Stuart. How are you doing? Sorry, I was just looking at a few books and just getting some ideas. And this one here has such great plates in it. I just need to share this with all of you. This is such a great book here. How are you doing?
Bruce, I'm doing quite well. I'm with the workshop today, and we're going over different books. That's why I gave you a call. I know you have a lot of them. Oh my goodness, it looks like you're in your library even now. Would you mind sharing not just the book you were reading just now, but perhaps some others you have as well?
I would love to. So where should we begin?